Okay, let's have a go at just removing some of the dirt. Same amount of solder on the end of that. Blimey. So a wet cloth. Very lightly clamped. Okay, went well. Wait for it to cool down. No sign of the solder on the cap coming loose. In order to try and protect the joints here, I've filled the boiler with water, which is why the safety valve is in. Okay, so that's the worst of it off. So to remove the solder, I'm going to use this, which is a jeweler's wheel, polishing wheel. I wanted to remove the old solder because it was just so ugly, and I need to make quite a repair here because the steam pipe is far smaller than the hole.